Renault has been in the electric car market for quite a few years now, with the Zoe being their most successful model. The range is about to welcome a new, C-segment EV, which will rival to the likes of the upcoming Volkswagen ID Hatch. My answer is very clear. Yes, we will go to the C-segment, and yes, we will go with a bigger battery, that is for sure, Renault's Global Electric Vehicle Program Director, Feunteun, told AutoExpress. We need to find the right timing to be sure we have a competitive offer, he added, referring to the bigger battery that would otherwise make the car too expensive. If I do it with the cost of the battery today, then I will be at the price of my luxury competitors, Feunteun explained. If you want to go to C, D, E segment, we can see what Tesla is doing, and Jaguar, you need to go with very big batteries. But that means very expensive cars. I'm a strong believer that the DNA of Renault is to bring affordable technology. The Zoe is the most affordable electric car on the market and price is the #1 deciding factor. The compact electric isn't expected to arrive until 2022. It will be underpinned by a dedicated EV platform, which will be shared with the rest of the alliance's partners, and should offer a total range of more than 250 miles, 402 kilometers, in the real world. Using the special architecture will translate into a very spacious interior for a C-segment car. If you look at a dedicated EV platform, it will bring a lot of value that hybrid platforms can't, commented Feunteun. On the EV platforms, you will be able to have one segment difference from the inside to the outside of the car. That's fantastic value.